My name is Janet Nabwami, and I'm a doctoral student at Sokoine University of Agriculture. I am a soil scientist, and currently I am working on research looking at different nutrients and how they affect rice fields or rice yield in the eastern part of Uganda. And in addition to that, I'm also looking at effects of herbicide on weed populations still in rice growing areas in Uganda. My research will assist farmers in a number of ways. One way is to increase on their yield, because the yields are low. If we look at lowland yields, normally the potential yield is about 8 tons per hectare, but farmers normally get 2 tons, 3 tons, or even sometimes 1.5 tons per hectare. That is really on the low side. So looking at what is lacking in their soil and then applying it through the use of fertilizers and fertilizer supergranules, these can assist in increasing their yield and bringing it up to also the potential yield of 8 tons per hectare. And also another thing that we're looking at is the weed populations. Weed is really a big challenge for farmers. So them learning how to control weeds, managing the weeding cycles can assist them to also increase on their yield. Yes. Smallholder farmers are the ones that provide agriculture. About 80% of agriculture is from smallholder farmers. And this is me being able to help them is really a good thing. When I look at their soils and then I advise them that, okay, your soil is lacking nitrogen, it's lacking phosphorus, you need to apply this kind of fertilizer for you to get an increase in yield. This is good. And when I see the results, there's increase in yield, people taking care of their soil, the fertility, that gives me great joy. Yes. I'm working with a number of women farmers and also male farmers. And what I see, the women farmers are more responsive and more encouraging, and they really look up when you request them to do something. They really do it to the letter compared to their male counterparts, because the male counterparts believe they do know it all. So, well, the women, they do the work. Yes. The word fellowship has really assisted my research in a number of ways. For a start, it got me in touch with the International Fertilizer Development Center in Uganda, whereby I'm carrying out the research under their Catalyst project. And this has helped me to network with a number of people, interact with a number of people, and met quite scientists, renowned scientists who are really carrying out cutting-edge research. So without that, I wouldn't really know these people. I wouldn't network properly. Yes. It has also assisted me in learning scientific skills, writing skills, proposal writing skills. This has assisted me in also coming up with my PhD proposal in soil and water management. It has really been a great help. The Alliance for the Green Revolution in Africa has assisted me in giving me a scholarship to do my studies in a PhD in soil and water management. And through this, I have gotten in touch with different students from different countries who are also carrying out their PhD. For example, the Alliance for Green Revolution of Africa, in connection with Wageningen University, have assisted me in sponsoring me for a course to attain some laboratory skills in soil and plant analysis. This was in Denmark, and I've had a chance to meet a number of renowned scientists at the Sokoine University of Agriculture, the lecturers, the professors. So it has been a good thing for me. Yes. In 5 years from now, I see myself having completed my PhD, having a job in a research organization so I can have a maximum impact to help in soil fertility and increase in food security in Africa. Yes.